Ola Electric gets base approval for Shakti 9.1 kWh, 4680 Bharat Cell Energy Storage System. Ola Electric has achieved a significant regulatory milestone with the Bureau of Indian Standards granting certification for its Shakti 9.1 kWh residential battery energy storage system. The certification applies to the 6 kW inverter configuration paired with the 9.1 kWh battery pack powered by Ola's indigenously developed 4680 Bharat cells. This approval allows Ola Electric to begin commercial deliveries of the Shakti 9.1 kWh system from the end of January 2026, marking the formal entry of the product into India's residential and small commercial energy storage market. Shakti is positioned as India's first fully indigenous residential battery energy storage system that is designed, engineered, and manufactured within the country. The BIS license has been granted under IS 16242 Part 1 Ratio 2025, aligned with IEC 62040-1 Ratio 2017 standards, after extensive testing by a BIS recognized laboratory. As part of the certification process, the system underwent a wide range of electrical, mechanical, and environmental safety tests. These included short-circuit protection, overload handling, safeguards against fire and thermal risks, protection from electric shock, and performance under environmental stress conditions. Additional testing covered sonic pressure hazards, mechanical safety, and overall operational reliability as required under BIS norms. This certification is particularly important because residential energy storage systems operate inside homes, farms, and commercial establishments. Compliance with national safety standards plays a critical role in building consumer trust and enabling large-scale adoption. Ola Shakti is designed to offer an alternative to conventional lead-acid inverters and diesel generators. Unlike traditional systems, it delivers instant 0-millisecond power switchover during outages, ensuring uninterrupted operation of connected appliances. The system supports a wide input voltage range of 170 to 270 volts, helping protect household and commercial equipment from voltage fluctuations. The battery packs are spill-proof and carry an IP67 rating, meaning they are resistant to dust and water ingress. This makes the system suitable for Indian conditions, including high humidity, dust-prone environments, and monsoon exposure. Ola Shakti uses automotive-grade battery technology, leveraging Ola Electric's experience in electric mobility and cell manufacturing. The use of 4680 Bharat cells highlights the company's strategy to build an integrated energy ecosystem based on domestic cell production and advanced battery chemistry. The system is available in two configurations. The 3 kW inverter paired with a 5.2 kWh battery pack is priced at 1,49,999 rupees, while the high capacity 6 kW inverter with a 9.1 kWh battery pack is priced at 2,49,999 rupees. The 9.1 kWh version can support heavy loads such as air conditioners, induction cookers, farm pumps, refrigeration systems, and communication equipment. At full load, the system provides backup power for up to 1.5 hours, with fast charging capabilities enabling quicker readiness during frequent power cuts. Zero running and maintenance costs further differentiate it from diesel-based alternatives. According to Ola Electric, the Shakti platform is intended to serve not only urban households but also rural homes, farms, and small businesses where power reliability remains a challenge. The product is positioned as a key building block for decentralized and on-demand energy consumption. From a broader perspective, the BIS certification of Shakti aligns with India's push toward energy self-reliance and clean power infrastructure. Domestic energy storage solutions reduce dependence on imported batteries, enhance grid resilience, and support renewable energy integration. Deliveries of the Shakti 9.1 kWh system are scheduled to begin at the end of January 2026, while the 5.2 kWh variant is expected to start shipping from mid-February 2026. The product is available for purchase through Ola Electric's official website and physical retail stores. Overall, this certification represents an important step for Ola Electric as it expands beyond electric mobility into stationary energy storage. It also reflects a growing trend of Indian companies developing end-to-end clean energy solutions tailored for domestic conditions and long-term sustainability.